Were you convicted of a crime in Georgia in your past? Have you stayed out of trouble since then? You might be eligible to have that conviction dismissed and restricted from your record through a recent change in Georgia law. In the summer of 2015, Georgia's first offender statute was revised, allowing first offender status to be applied retroactively to an old conviction. If first offender status is granted by the courts, your prior conviction is dismissed and your arrest record for that incident is restricted. There are three factors that determine whether or not Georgia's first offender statute can be applied retroactively in your case. First, were you eligible for first offender status at the time of your conviction? In Georgia, most crimes are eligible for first offender status, but some violent felonies and sex offenses are not eligible for first offender pleas. Secondly, you must petition the court to have a hearing regarding applying first offender status to your case retroactively. At that hearing, evidence can be presented, if necessary, to show why you'd like to have your first offender status applied to your prior conviction. And then thirdly, a judge will determine whether to apply the first offender statute retroactively in your case. If the judge does apply the statute, your prior conviction is removed from your record and the arrest is restricted. Courts in Georgia will look to a number of factors to determine whether they should grant first offender status retroactively. But the most important factors are a clean criminal history since the conviction, and secondly, what you've done to improve your life since your case was previously resolved. It is our opinion that judges want to grant retroactive first offender in cases where there are reasons to do so. If you've been previously convicted of a crime and made positive changes to your life, you may be eligible to use Georgia's first offender law on your past conviction. Call our law office today at 404-581-0999 for a free consultation. Thank you.